this video, we will be replacing the cargo lights in this 2012 Ford F150. As we take a look from the rear of the vehicle, we can see our cargo light housing assembly. And if we take a little closer look, we can see two fasteners that need to be removed. These fasteners are both Phillips head. And with those fasteners removed, we want to try and work off that housing assembly, and we're going to expose those wiring harnesses. Our cargo lights are located on either side of our housing. We can rotate that counterclockwise and work it out, and our bulb will then pull straight out. And I do like to compare my old bulb with my new bulbs. This is a bulb number 912, and we do have two of these for those cargo lamps. And I will be using some cloth gloves to install these. It isn't recommended to touch the glass of the bulb with your bare hands. And those bulbs can be installed in the opposite fashion that we remove them. And a quarter turn clockwise will secure those in place. And with our bulb replacement complete, we can reassemble our light housing. And lastly, we can test it out. And this repair is complete.